would you look at that. Brad, can you please tell me, and more importantly, the story to those who have been looking for those?
You know, when you order and you're like 30 days out, but 30 days takes 3 months, okay? And but we've been looking for them, and the box finally came in, and I got 3,000 of them. And but we really get surprises, so I may have to order 3,000 of them again here pretty soon. But the little round, the poker chip, okay, that we do sell a lot of, I just got them in, so you know, divide them up and website and me, and I got 2 shows, one this weekend, next weekend. 50 or so, 60 of them go each weekend through my shows. So if you want a round one, okay, and I have like 5 models that I got to keep in stock, so it's a little bit tough, okay. But go to sharpensbest.com. You're watching the video. You might be on YouTube, Sharpens Best. Run over to sharpensbest.com, take a look, because I think as of today, more than likely, it will say back in stock. You can order and buy them. And the long handle, or no, I shouldn't say that. Oh, speaking of the long handles, the red ones, the North Carolina should get the carbides in about 30 days or less, than 20-day lead time or so, and then they'll start making the black, no, not the black, but the red long handles again. All right, but the Sharpen Spark, and that is the bigger of the two, Sharpen Spark Mini. The Sharpen Spark should be in about 10 days or less, so we can have them back on the website. I ordered the Sharpen Spark Mini. I'm taking the last of them, some to Hawaii, gave some to Chance. So he'll probably have those back up on the website immediately. So go to sharpensbest.com, take a look. We're under some bit of problems on our growth period right now. And then, you know, you have to source the carbide. They have to get it made. They've got to send it to wherever the product is getting made, molded. And they have some lead time, so I'm always dealing with the factory saying, you've got carbides headed your way, please get me in the schedule. Sometimes the schedule, you know, like I'm 20, 30 days out just getting my mold into the press to make my parts, okay? So it gets a little bit hard trying to keep them all in stock. So, you know, go to sharpensbest.com, buy a bunch of the rounds. You know, always on the videos, you know, post, let me know what you think of your sharpener. Are you having any troubles or anything like that? So this is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. Go and order your rounds now, if you would please. Talk to you later.